Welcome back to the third episode of the navigation series, How to Read a Topographical Map. At the moment, I'm sure it looks daunting, but by the end of the video, you will be a pro. First off, let's talk about scale. As I'm sure you can work out, a map cannot be a scale of 1 to 1, but instead, we'll use a scale of 1 to 25,000, for example, like the map we have here. So, what is the ratio? All maps will have the ratio at the bottom. Simply use that. It will tell you whether you're working with the imperial system or the metric system, and also say what distance contour lines are apart. As this example shows, this map's ratio is that every 1 centimeter on the map equals 250 meters of actual distance. The other thing that this says is how far away contour lines are apart. And in this map, for example, the contour lines are 10 meters away from each other by altitude. A contour line is the orange lines that you see all over the map. It's basically the altitude you change from contour line to contour line. So each contour line on the map is 10 meters in altitude apart. So by looking at this map, for example, it means that when contour lines are far apart from each other, the terrain that you are walking on at that moment is not steep, and you will change 10 meters in altitude over a longer period of time. Whereas contour lines that are close to each other mean that the area is steep and you will change 10 meters in altitude faster. This of course is only true if you're moving at a constant speed, and before this turns into a science lecture, does this make sense at all? If not, comment below and I'll clarify. Last bit about contour lines is that at the top, those little circles, they represent the top of the hill. And the numbers that you see sometimes inside of contour lines is the altitude the contour line represents. For example, a contour line that says 850 is a contour line that represents being 850 meters above sea level. Okay, I've said contour lines enough. Moving on. The next part of the map that we will look at is commonly referred to as the key or the legend. This part of the map will show you what these symbols represent. For example, highways, roads, buildings, etc., etc. That's it for this episode. I really hope that you enjoyed learning about how to read a topographical map. Remember, these skills may one day save your life. Stay prepared by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Also check out our Google Plus page, which is in the description below. I will leave you with a quote from Bear Grylls: "Survival can be summed up in 3 words. Never give up." That's the heart of it really. Just keep trying. Thanks for watching.